Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how you can extract a company logo from the website and incorporate in an Excel sheet. But for this exercise, the one thing is very important: internet should be connected, otherwise it will be difficult for the Excel to extract the data from the website. So let's begin. First of all, in any column you have to write the company name. So here I'm writing the company names in a column B. So the first company name, like write any name, Nokia. Another mobile company, APPLE SAMSUNG, right here like LEVIS and IBM. So for extracting the logo you have to apply a simple formula here. I will provide this formula in description as well for your convenience. So the formula is it is equals to, write image, open bracket, inverted commas, right here https :/logo dot clearbit clearbit.com / again inverted comma, and here you have to provide the address of the cell where the company name is given. For me, the company name is given in column B and row 2, so I will write here B2, then I will write here N and close the inverted comma, write .com and close another inverted commas and parenthesis bracket and hit enter. So you see the Excel extract the logo from the website of the company, and then select the cell and drag it down if you have many company names, so it will extract automatically. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.